देखो, कज़ाकिस्तान के व्यूज़ एंजॉय करने से कैट प्रेप नहीं होने वाला है। कैट प्रेप होने वाला है अगर तुम अगले 120 डेज़ को अच्छे से यूज़ करो। 4 महीने हैं तुम्हारे पास। इस वीडियो में मैं बताने वाला हूँ क्या क्या जो अभी तुम्हें प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही होंगी, बहुत सारी, कि क्वांट में सवाल सॉल्व नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ, LRDI में मॉक्स में सेट सॉल्व नहीं हो रहे, VRC में RCs समझ नहीं आ रही हैं, वॉट एवर इट इज़, आई विल बी स्पीकिंग अबाउट इन दिस वीडियो. This is going to be the only video you need to actually give the proper structure to your CAT prep in the next 4 months. If you don't know me yet, I am Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product head at Career Launcher. I am the founder of Creatum, where I help MBA students create fulfilling careers beyond the campus placements. कैट प्रेप 3 सेक्शंस का खेल नहीं है, विच इज़ क्वांट, DILR, VRC. It's not just that. It's also about a fourth aspect, which is mock taking. What students don't realize at this point of time is that studying the subjects, studying the concepts and solving the questions is not enough. You need to get to a point wherein you are taking sufficient number of mocks so that you have the habit of getting into a mock, knowing which questions to select, which questions to leave, and therefore are able to solve the questions in the time pressure that there is. So whatever I'm going to be sharing with you now is going to propel you towards that. How can you get mock ready? How can you get CAT ready? Also, if you've heard me speak on this, I've always said this, that it's not about how to get a 99 percentile in CAT. You have to think about what sort of a person you need to become who gets a 99 percentile. ये 99 परसेंटाइल लाने वाले लोग कौन होते हैं, वो कैट के दिन पे क्या करते हैं और उनकी डेली हैबिट्स आज से क्या होती हैं. आई विल ब्रेक दिस इनटू क्वांट, DILR, VARC and then mocks and then some important things which I have to say. I'll start off with quant. The biggest problem which you might be facing in quant right now is that I am solving questions but I am not able to solve them. मतलब मैं क्लास देखता हूँ या देखती हूँ, उसमें जब वो सवाल सॉल्व हो रहा होता है, मुझसे एक भी सवाल सॉल्व नहीं हो रहा है. If this is your biggest problem now, go down in the comments and let me know that yes, this is my biggest problem, or whatever is your problem. Now is the time to write it down. I'll tell you why I'm asking you to write it down in the comments. It's important. The more you engage with this video, the more you're writing your problem, you're accepting it, and therefore you'll be more engaged. You will be able to draw more insights from this. Now, one thing you know for a fact that in quant, your primary 4 areas which you need to cover are arithmetic, algebra, geometry, number systems. Now, if I were to structure this, that even if you are starting your prep right now, suppose अगर तुम अभी शुरुआत भी कर रहे हो तो तुम्हें समझना ये है कि दिस इज़ इन एंड ऑफ जुलाई विच वी आर इन. You have to give not more than 2 to 3 weeks for you to complete your arithmetic. You will reach a point wherein you would be in mid of August. Now from mid of August to mid of September, you might want to give that 1 full month to algebra because it might take that much of time. Also then from mid August to September starting, you would give to either number system or geometry, and then September mid तक तुम अपना जो भी उसमें से एक रह गया होगा उसको ख़त्म करके अपना क्वांट का सिलेबस ख़त्म कर सकते हो. The broad timeline which I want to give you is that by October mid you should be done with your quant syllabus. A very important thing which comes to the mind of the students when I am saying this is that what does it mean to complete your course? Completing means that you watch the videos, you've covered the concepts, and you've also solved some 500-600 questions of quant. The moment now I'm saying 500-600 questions, you're like, what are you saying? 600 questions of quant, there's no much time left. Just imagine this. 600 questions of quant is how much? If I were to take 30 days in a month, अगर एक महीने में, मतलब अगर आप हर दिन 20 सवाल भी सॉल्व करते हैं, आप एक महीने में 600 सवाल तो सॉल्व कर ही रहे हैं. और मैं यहाँ पे बात कर रहा हूँ 3 महीने की. अगर आप हर दिन भी 10 सवाल क्वांट के, विच इज़ हार्डली एनीथिंग, सॉल्व करते हैं, आप ईजिली 600 to 900 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ क्वांट सॉल्व करते होंगे. एंड डेफिनेटली क्वांट विल टेक अप डिस्प्रपोर्शनेट अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम in your prep because that's the only area out of the 3 which has a syllabus to it. Coming to one very important question of how do you solve a problem that you're not able to solve the questions, I would say it right up there that it's okay. If you are still learning the theory and you're not able to solve the questions, that is absolutely fine. There is always a learning curve. What you need to do is one very simple thing. As soon as your professor or whoever you are learning from is solving the question, watch them solve it, understand it completely. Then do not assume कि मुझे समझ आ गया है. Stop the video, close it and solve it again अपने हाथ से. जब तक अपने हाथ से आपने सॉल्व नहीं करे होंगे तब तक नहीं होगा. एक और चीज़ है इसमें, हैक है, that after every 5 days, 6 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, come back to the questions, the 5, 10, 15, 20, 50 questions which you would have solved 2 weeks back and solve them again. And then check how much are you able to recall. Repeat this every week. Allocate 1 day every week or every fortnight for you to repeat the questions which you've done in the last 2 weeks, and you will see that you're solidifying your concepts because you're repeating the questions which you've solved. That is what you need to do for quant. And apart from these 3 sections of QA, LRDI, VRC, there's one very important thing which you need to be working on is your mindset, is on how you're prepping. For this, a very important thing which you need to get, which most aspirants skip, but very smart ones, they don't skip it, is a mentorship. To get access to somebody, it could be your brother, it could be your sister who has cracked CAT, who has done well, and now they're invested in your prep so that they can track you every week, every other week, so that they can know that, okay, whether you're preparing well. Also, somebody like that whom you can speak to if you're stuck, because I can understand this is very high pressure, high stakes exam. The time is very intense for you to really solve everything. There could be a circumstance wherein you're not able to solve questions, and you're even questioning whether CAT as an exam is for you or not. That is why in my last 9 years of experience of doing this, I realized that hey, students need mentorship, guidance. That's the biggest gap. I have my CAT mentorship program in which you connect with me one-to-one over video calls. There would be a bunch of video calls. Apart from that, chat access to me, so that whatever doubts you have about your preparation plan, your strategy, what should you do, any self-doubt which you may be having, if there's nobody around you, you'll at least have me. Do not forget to scroll down, check the link in the description so that you can get access to it. There are only 4 months. अब इसमें भी अगर तुमने कोई भी ऐसा चांस छोड़ दिया तो तुम फिर see, one thing which I dislike is that every year students come back and say that, you know what, sir, last year I did not give it my best shot, my best attempt. Why aren't you giving it your best shot in terms of effort, in terms of time, in terms of money also? You have to give it everything. I'm not even kidding when I'm saying this. Please give it your best shot and then see the results. If there are no results even after that, then at least you'll be satisfied, but most likely there will be results because you know you've done well. Apart from quant, now 2 areas, LRDI and VRC, some things are very important in this, that these are the 2 sections in which you need not wait for you to complete the theory. बिकॉज इसमें थ्योरी नाम की कोई चीज़ नहीं है. आई अंडरस्टैंड आपने जो भी कोर्स में एनरोल करा होगा उसमें वीडियोज़ होंगी वेर इन दे आर हेल्पिंग यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ DILR सेट्स, द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ RCs एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स, बट डोंट वेट फॉर यू टू कंप्लीट दोज वीडियोज़. नो, DILR and VRC is best practice through mock taking. Therefore, keep taking sectional tests, mock tests. That is extremely important. Coming to mock tests now, quickly I'll explain you mock test mein kya hai. At this point also, even if you're starting your prep, whether you've been prepping for quite a lot of time, you need to take at least 1 mock per week. Allocate a day wherein you're taking a mock is just 2 hours, and then after that allocate 6 hours, whether on the same day or on the subsequent day, where then you will be analyzing the mock. Now, analyzing a mock has a video. I have created a video on this. You can find it on my YouTube. I'll also give a link in the description, and that is one video which you need to have to watch. When I'm saying analysis is one very simple thing. You have to solve all the questions again. That's it. That is the basic मूल मंत्रा ऑफ एनालिसिस कि सारे क्वेश्चन दोबारा सॉल्व करने, उसमें एक सीक्वेंस फॉलो करना चाहिए आपको. पहले वो क्वेश्चंस करिए which you did not even attempt in the exam. Start off with that. Second, then come to the questions which you attempted but you could not get them right. They are very important questions because you attempted them. You thought that yes, you could solve it, but still if you were not able to solve it, then there is something which you need to check over there. And then third, solve the questions which you were able to solve, only to check was there a faster way to solve it. That is your mock analysis period. इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं करना है. VARC में you have to become a person who solves 4 RCs in half an hour so that you can solve almost all questions in VARC. That is how you become a person like that. For that, I have a very simple formula which I tell my students in my CAT mentorship program, that you have to practice in sprints. अब अगर आप उस स्टेज तक पहुंच चुके हैं जहाँ पे आप RCs कर पा रहे हैं, आप हाफ एन आवर की स्प्रिंट लीजिए और हाफ एन आवर में 4 सेट्स करने की कोशिश कीजिए. किसी दिन आप कर पाएंगे 2 सेट, किसी दिन 3 सेट, एक दिन ऐसा ज़रूर आएगा आप 4 सेट कर पाएंगे. दिस सर्कल्स बैक to the point which I was saying, that what kind of a person you need to become who gets a 99 percentile. That person is somebody who's able to solve 4 sets in half an hour. That person is somebody in quant is able to select some good 14-15 questions, select, and then forget about the remaining 7-8 and then only focus on those 15 questions. And in DILR, again, your idea is to give yourself half an hour and see how many sets can you solve in that. Maybe right now you can solve just 1 set. It is okay. Increase it to 2 sets. There would be a day when in 1 hour you will be able to solve 3 sets, 4 sets. That's fine. this is your entire preparation plan. More towards September end, when we'll speak again, I will say to you that hey, you need to start taking 2 mocks per week. That is important, but broadly right now all you need to focus on is solving more questions. If you're not able to solve questions, then watch them solve it and then close it, solve it again. This applies to quant, this applies to DILR, this applies to VARC. And the second interesting, or the third very important hack or fact is that every 2 weeks solve the questions which you had solved 2 weeks back, just to solidify your recall. This is your no fluff, no faltu gyan video on what you need to do in these 120 days to CAT. अब जाओ कजाकिस्तान के व्यूज एंजॉय करो. थैंक यू.